like Dawn. Why are we doing this?
I don't know, but it's really fun.
Oh.
Can't get all the way around.
She's very color contrasting. It's purple and then orange.
Can't really tell it's purple though. It looks
Yeah.
white.
I like the orange plastic. Oh.
No, I thought she was gonna fall. Has she fallen yet today?
I don't think
It's
so.
really disappointing.
She almost fell once, right? But she
Yeah. Then her calf started hurting.
didn't. Yeah.
Yeah.
And she was stopped.
It's really depressing. I want her to fall. What is she doing?
Uh-oh. She's coming.
I was like holding on and I was just like,
Zoom.
She can do it.
of course she can.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah. You're all just like skating around doing the funky chicken.
And just for you, Sue.
This is boring. You're boring. Do something exciting. That was close. Yeah. We got you doing the funky chicken.
We got you doing the funky chicken, Sue.
Yeah, we did. When you're like,
When you were just like,
we got it. Ow, my arm really hurts from stabbing myself.
Aw. Let me see it.
I don't know where it is.
it looks like it's right there.
It looks like it's, but it feels like it's right here. Maybe. Maybe I'm just a problem child. Do a 2-foot spin.
This is really entertaining.
She better put this on YouTube.